This Sahara Jeep Wrangler 4x4 has easy-to-clean brown leather interior, air conditioning, cruise control, and heated seats. Come check out this capable 4x4 at Laird Wheaton GM in Nanaimo. This Jeep Wrangler Unlimited boasts a gas V6 3.6 liters/220 engine powering this unknown/other transmission. Speed control, remote keyless entry, power door locks. This Jeep Wrangler Unlimited features the following options: air conditioning, variable intermittent windshield wipers, tubular side steps, transfer case skid plate, traction control, tire pressure monitoring warning light, tinted windshield glass, tilt steering column, temp and compass gauge, storage tray. Stop by today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia B9T3L3 to claim your Jeep Wrangler Unlimited.